Trick to find dimensional formula. I will teach you the super easy trick to solve easy level and hard level questions. Firstly, I write here mass, length, time and current. We know that the SI unit of mass is kg, that of length is meter, that of time is second, and that of current is ampere. The dimensional symbol of mass is m, that of length is L, that of time is t, and that of current is A. Now consider this question. Find the dimensional formula of velocity. Well, we know that velocity is equal to displacement upon time. We know that displacement or length is the same thing. The dimensional symbol of length is L and that of time is t. Now I shift t from the denominator to numerator. I get square bracket L t to the power minus 1 square bracket, or I write square bracket m to the power 0 L t to the power minus 1 square bracket. Remember that this m0 means that mass is not present in velocity. Hence the dimensional formula of velocity is m to the power 0 L t to the power minus 1. Secondly, find the dimensional formula of acceleration. Well, we know that acceleration is equal to change in velocity upon time. Now velocity is equal to displacement upon time, then this time. We know that dimensional symbol of displacement is L, that of time is t, and that of time is also t. I get L t to the power minus 2. Hence the dimensional formula of acceleration is Lt to the power negative 2. Thirdly, find the dimensional formula of force. Well, we know that force is equal to mass into acceleration. The dimensional symbol of mass is m, and we have already calculated the dimensional formula of acceleration, which is Lt to the power negative 2. I get m L t to the power negative 2. Hence the dimensional formula of force is m L t to the power negative 2. Note it down all these dimensional formulas which I will directly use in hard level questions. Now consider these hard level questions. Find the dimensional formula of pressure, stress and modulus of elasticity. Well, we know that pressure is equal to force upon area, and that of stress is force upon area. Now I write force upon, we know that area is equal to length and to breadth. We have already calculated the dimensional formula of force, which is ml t to the power negative 2. The dimensional symbol of length and breadth is L and L. This L and this L squared cancel out. I get m L to the power negative 2 t to the power negative 2. Hence the dimensional formula of pressure and stress is square bracket m L to the power negative 2 t to the power negative 2 square bracket. In case of modulus of elasticity, its formula is equal to stress upon strain. We all know that strain is unitless. We get modulus of elasticity is equal to stress. We have already calculated the dimensional formula of stress, which is m L to the power negative 1 t to the power negative 2. Hence the dimensional formula of modulus of elasticity is m L to the power negative 1 t to the power negative 2. So these three physical quantities have the same dimensional formula. Thus note it down all these dimensional formulas. Secondly, find the dimensional formula of work done, energy, torque and kinetic energy. Well, work done and energy are the same, are two faces of the same coin. We know that work done is equal to dot product of force and distance. We have already calculated the dimensional formula of force, which is m L t to the power negative 2, and the dimensional symbol of distance is L. I get m L to the power 2 T to the power negative 2. Hence the dimensional formula of work done and energy is square bracket m L to the power 2 T to the power negative 2 square bracket closed. In case of torque, it is the cross product of force and distance. The dimensional formula of force is m L T to the power negative 2 and that of distance is L. I get m L squared T to the power negative 2. Hence the dimensional formula of torque is mL squared T to the power negative 2. In case of kinetic energy, it is equal to half of mv squared. Remember that we do not consider constants in dimensional formula. The dimensional symbol of mass is m and the dimensional formula of velocity is Lt to the power negative 1. I take square root on it. I get ml squared T to the power negative 2. Hence the dimensional formula of kinetic energy is also ml squared T to the power negative 2. Thus remember that the dimensional formula of all these quantities is the same. So note it down. Finally, find the dimensional formula of resistance, reactance and impedance. Well, according to Ohm's law, V is equal to IR or R is equal to V upon I. Let this is equation number 1. We know that voltage is equal to work done upon charge. Also we know that charge is equal to I upon time. So I write V is equal to work done upon charge into time. We already calculated the dimensional formula of work done, which is ml squared T to the power negative 2. The dimensional symbol of current I is A and that of time is T. I shift AT from the denominator to the numerator. I get ml squared T to the power negative 3 into A to the power negative A. Hence the dimensional formula of voltage is ml squared T to the power negative 3 A to the power negative 1. Let this is equation number 2. Now I plug in this equation number 2 and equation number 1. R is equal to the dimensional formula of voltage is ml squared T to the power negative 3 A to the power negative 1 upon the dimensional symbol of current is A. I get ml squared T to the power negative 3 A to the power negative 2. Hence the dimensional formula of resistance, reactance and impedance is ml squared T to the power negative 3 A to the power negative 2. Also remember that the dimensional formula of Boltzmann constant, entropy and heat capacity is ml squared T to the power negative 2 K to the power negative 1. While dimensional formula of angular velocity, frequency and angular frequency is m to the power 0 L to the power 0 T to the power negative 1. Thus note down all these important dimensional formulas which will help you in any exam. I hope that you have learned this super easy trick.